Okay, so welcome back. We have work example 7. This is a little bit tricky because there's not much graphs involved, and we need to actually kind of use some real life context questions to relate it lah. Okay, so don't worry, just look at how this goes lah. Okay, we know that in this question the volume, which is V, is directly proportional of the solid. Okay, the volume V cm cube of a solid. So the volume of the solid, right? The volume is directly proportional to the cube of its radius r cm. Okay, so from here, the first thing you should be using a pencil to tell is immediately you can write V is equals to k r cube straight away. Okay, when there's a direct proportional question, it's always good to write down the facts. The facts. I say it. The facts. The facts very important. Okay, and this is a fact. This is a given condition. So let's continue on. When the radius, if the solid is 6 cm, the volume is 905 cm cube. Okay, let's find an equation connecting V and R. So you may ask me, hey Joe, got formula for solid. Yeah, lor, this is the formula of V equals to KR cube. What kind of solid do we know? We don't know what kind of solid is this, right? So if it has a radius, means it's some circular thing, but it can be a sphere, it can be a cylinder, it can be a cone, it can be anything with circle. So we're just gonna assume V is equals to KR cube, and my best chance of guessing is it might be a sphere. Okay, I cannot pronounce it, but yeah. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna form the equation that we formed just now, which is V equals to KR cube, because V is directly proportional to R cube. Okay. Then let's find an equation connecting V and R. So when V is equals to 905, K is equal this is equal to K times 6 cube. Okay, so 905 is equals to K times 216, if I'm not wrong. 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. Yeah, very good, it's 216. Okay, so K will be equals to 905 divided by 216. It's gonna get tricky here, but let's see. Okay, yeah, we got 905 over 905 over 216. Okay, so the equation connecting them is V is equals to 905 over 216. Am I right? The radius here, yeah, correct. 216 R cube. Okay, so now we got a constant. Let's solve the question. This is very straightforward. It's really super straight. Now you got the equation. The equation is in part 1. So when V equals to 905 over 216 times R cube, this is equals to 905 over 216 times okay, it shouldn't be 10. It should be 8. It should be 10. What am I talking about? 10 cube. Okay, so calculator, handy calculator. Okay, so 905 times 10 cube divided by 216. Okay, what you have is you can get a fraction, definitely, but the fraction is going to be a little bit not beautiful, but yeah, whatever, let's just do it. Okay, you can get this, okay, such that you don't have to round off is the exact answer. So yeah, so therefore the volume, your final statement is important, is 4185 22 over 27 cm cube. So actually, yeah, it's very straightforward. Like when it comes to directly proportional questions, it is really very straightforward. All you need to know and all you need to do is to understand the question properly. Okay, V of a solid, V cm cube, the volume of a solid, is directly proportional to the cube of its radius. The cube of the radius is one entire sentence. So cube of radius means R cube. So this entire statement would just mean V equals to K R cube. Okay, so that's it for work example 7. See ya.